very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about adverbs. Okay, so let me ask you a question. What are adverbs, my dear children? What are adverbs?
Add ly.
Add ly is only adverbs. What have you understood from the word adverb? What is that? Adverb means what? Adverb. So there is a verb there. Very good, Krishna Raj. So from the very word, yes, more about words, very good. From the very word itself, it's very clear, children. So we are going to learn about adverbs. From the very word, look at that word, all of you, adverbs. So we all of us know it. What are verbs? Come on, tell me, what are verbs? What are verbs, my dear children? Very good. Action words or doing words are called as verb. Now, adverb means what? We are adding something more to the action word or verb. Okay. Or adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Isn't that? Okay, now have you all of you understood what is an adverb is? Adverb is nothing but it is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Now we are going to enact a task here. Okay, so ma'am is going to give you a few action words for you. You have to enact it and others have to say how they have done it. Are you all ready? Yes. Adverbs are nothing but it tells us how the action has taken place. Okay, it tells us more about the verb. So you're going to enact. I'm going to give you some tasks, that is, some verbs will be given to you. You have to enact it. Enact it means you have to do what has been said and the others will have to supply a suitable adverb to it. Are you all ready? Ready for the task? Yes. Okay, Krishna Raj is ready. Yes, my dear.
I'm not well, that's why I have joined now only.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. What is that is? Ma'am is going to give you some words. That is verb. Verb means we know it is an action word. Okay.
Yes.
So you have to enact the action word for us and others has to supply a suitable adverb for it. Clear to all of you? Now is it
Yes.
clear? So who's going to take the task? Who's going to, you can raise your hands. So who's ready first? So that, yes, Krishna Raj, come on, Krishna Raj. Yes, morning, children. Yes, Krishna Raj, I'm going to give you an action word for you. You have to enact it. Enact it in the sense, if I tell you to talk, you have to talk. And others have to say whether he's talking loudly or softly or quietly or politely, whatever it is. Is that clear? Have all of you understood? Understood the task? Got it? Yes. Krishna Raj, are you good at singing?
Yes.
Yes, okay then. So, sing a song for us.
Okay.
Yes, ready, start. 1, 2, 3.
Rose is beautiful, Rose is beautiful, Rose is beautiful, is so smell nice. Rose is beautiful, is so smell nice. It looks like a flower. It is red in color.
Very good, Krishna Raj. Come on, others supply a suitable verb for Krishna Raj sang. How was that? What is the adverb you're going to supply for it?
Nicely.
Instead of nicely, for sings, for song, we have to add a word like sweetly, or we can add a word like melodiously. Okay, Krishna Raj sang the song melodiously. So melodiously is the adverb here. Now have all of you understood what is the adverb is? Okay, so we are supplying a suitable adverb to the verb. So adverbs are nothing but it tells us something more about the verb. So he sang a song for us. He sang a song melodiously. Very good, Krishna Raj. Good attempt. Now let's move on to the next person. Is there anyone? Is there anyone who's ready with your performance? Yes, Daksha. Daksha. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to give you a task, Daksha. Okay, you're going to read something. Come on, read. Let us say whether you're going to read. Yes, come on, take any book which is in front of you. A literature book or a grammar book or whatever the book is there with you. Come on, read. Carry on reading.
Raja is a good boy. Ravi is also a good boy.
Come on, read. What is there in your workbook? Any book, whatever in front of you.
They are
Mm.
best friends. They play together
Mm.
and always
Mm.
all things they share.
Okay. So how is his reading? Is it loudly or softly? What is that? Softly. Yes, softly it is. Very good. Daksha read softly. Is that clear? So we are telling more about the word. Read is a verb there. How did she read? She read softly. So softly is the adverb here. Is that clear to all of you? Clear? Okay, Suresh. Suresh, I'm going to give you a task, Suresh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Suresh task is you have to can you walk, my dear Suresh? Let us all of us see how is that you're walking. Is that you're walking slowly or quickly? Come on, walk. Let us see you walking. Yes, walk, 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 walk. Walk a little. Yes, let us all of us see it. Yes, nothing. The task is very interesting. Just, yes, very good. Very good, very good. We call, all could see it now. Do you want me to pin it? Yes, come on. Yes, walk, walk, walk. Yes. Yes, walk. So how is he walking, my dear children? Come on. He's walking? Walking slowly. Okay. Otherwise, we can say he's walking briskly. Briskly means like a soldier. Okay, left, right, left, right. Is he walking like that? No, he's walking slowly. Okay. So adverbs are nothing but it is a word that tells us something more about the verb or tells us how the action happened. Is that clear? Clear to all of you? Okay. Now one more task for one more person. I don't think so. Rose, come on. Rose, your task is. Yes, yes, wait. Rose, your task is. Are you all ready? Rose, are you ready? Rose? Yes, you have to turn around. Come on, turn. Let me see and let me pin you up. Turn around. Come on, turn. Let us see whether you're happy or sad or whatever it is. Come on, do it.
Ma'am Anna.
Come on, turn around. Let us all of us see you turning around. Just turn. Yes, yes, yes. Turn around quickly, quickly turn around. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. So turn around. When you turn around, children, don't you feel very happy? Yes. When you turn around, she's so happy it is. So we can say, what is the adverb we are going to, how did she do the action? Turn around, yes, Rose turned around merrily. Okay, merrily means happily. Okay, while she was turning around, she was feeling so happy. So it is merrily. Instead of happily, we can say it is merrily. Okay, so these are the adverbs. So for every action word, we can supply a suitable adverb to it. Okay, so adverb tells us how the action happens. Is that clear? How? Ask a question, how the action happens. Or adverb is nothing but it is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Now, have you all of you understood what is an adverb is? Clear?
Yes.
Clear to all of you? Yes?
Enable Saju.
Enable Saju, what is the action he wanted to do? Come on, tell me.
Something.
Okay, able Saju, are you good at singing?
Yes.
Yes, come on, sing a song.
Flower is beautiful. Flower is beautiful.
The same song? Okay, cool. Come on. Okay, come on, come on.
It smells very beautiful.
Okay, come on, carry on. Whatever it is, yes, Abel, come on, carry on.
It smells very sweet. It smells very sweet. We can pick it up. It feels very sweet. It smells very sweet.
Okay, okay, very good, Abel. So what the adverb can be suitable for? What we can say there? Abel sang sweetly. Okay, Abel sang sweetly. So have you understood? So most of the adverbs I told you, it ends in
Ly.
ly. So So we have already learned that how to change the word into adverb. And we also know that how to supply a suitable adverb to the verb. Okay, so have you understood what is an adverb is? Adverb is nothing but it is a word that tells us something more about the verb. It tells us how the action happens. Okay, now let's move on to the topic, my dear children. I hope all of you have understood the topic well. Okay, now adverb, from the very word itself, it's there, adverb. What are we doing to the verb? We are adding something to the verb, or adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Okay, now all of you, please do look at the definition here. An adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear? Yes? Now, I ate my dinner quickly. Ate is a verb here. Ask a question. How did he eat his dinner? Quickly. So quickly is the adverb here. So adverb is nothing but it tells us how the action happens. Okay. So quickly is the adverb here. Okay, children. Yes. Now, the dog barks loudly. Okay, so here, come on, identify the verb.
Box.
Barks. Yes, barks is the verb here. Okay, now come on. How does the dog bark here?
Loudly.
Loudly. So loudly is the adverb here. Is that clear to all of you? Yes,
Yes.
loudly is the
Yes, ma'am.
adverb here. Yes. Now, adverb, it tells us how the action happens. Okay, how the action happens. Adverb tells us how the action happens. And most of the adverbs end in ly. Okay, so have all of you please do look at the board. That is quickly, peacefully, loudly. All these are the adverbs. I'm not saying that all the adverbs, but most of the adverbs, as we are learning adverb for the first time, let us learn about the basics. Okay, so most of the adverbs end in ly. So it is very easy to identify the adverbs in a sentence. So these are some of the examples of adverbs. That is cleverly, foolishly, slowly, quietly, gently, sadly. All these are the adverbs. Okay, my dear children. So we have already finished with this exercise. Have all of you finished this exercise
Yes.
in
ma'am.
page number 21 and 22?
Yes.
Have all of you completed it? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's move on to this exercise. That is what we have done now. Okay, so action words are given here. You have to supply a suitable adverb to it. So all of you, please do take page number 21. All of you, please do take page number 21. Talk. Okay, talk. So when you talk, you have to talk either, you can talk, how you can talk to? Okay, either you can talk softly or you can talk politely. Okay, that is the way. Talk softly. Or when you talk to the elders, you have to talk very politely to them. Okay, to your grandparents, to your parents as such. Okay, and to elders, whoever it is. So you have to talk. Whenever you talk, you have to talk either softly or very politely to elders. Okay, have all of you understood? So please do write it. Talk either, you can write both, softly, politely.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number is 21. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
I forgot my grammar textbook in my grandmother's house.
Ah, that's okay. You can copy down in your rough book and see that you write it in your grammar notebook when you go there. Okay, when you take it from there.
What's the first one?
Yes, my dear. The
What's
first one is talk. Talk is a verb. Okay, it is a verb or an action word, we can call it. You have to supply a suitable adverb to it. Okay, that is what we have enacted some of the action words now. Okay, so some of the suitable adverb for the word talk is, it's either softly or politely. You can write both the words. Come on, write.
Ma'am, I don't understand what to do this.
This is nothing but there are, all of you please do take the exercise which is there in page number 21. Okay, so now what we have done, we have enacted some action words. Okay, and others have to tell us how the action happens. So while talk is an action word, or we can call it as a verb. Now we have to supply a suitable adverb to it. Okay, so adverb here is when you talk, it can be softly or it can be loudly. You can talk, or you can talk angrily when you're very angry. Yes, don't you talk very angrily when your papa or anyone is very angrily? Okay, so the voice changes. So we can talk either softly, or we can talk loudly, or we can talk angrily, or we can talk politely. Okay, so we can either way we can talk. Okay, so the as you perform, we could say whether you're talking very angrily, or you're talking very softly, or we are talking very boldly. When you go to a stage, don't you talk very boldly? Or either word you can use. Okay, children. So I have given you two examples. Similarly, enter the room. When you enter the room, how do you enter? Without disturbing others. So we can put the word there quietly. 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 Okay, without disturbing others. Okay. So when you stand up, how do you stand up? Okay, when you stand up, when you are asked to stand up, you have to stand firmly, or you have to stand briskly. Okay, so you have to stand straight. Okay, so how the action is being performed. Adverbs, all these are the adverbs. Adverbs tells us how the action is being performed. Okay, you do the action, but adverbs tells us something more about the verb. It tells us how the action happens. How did he stand up briskly? Okay, hands were straight like this, like a soldier. Okay, that is what. Sit down. When you sit in a place, how do you sit? You have to sit calmly or comfortably, or sit down comfortably, or you can write there calmly. Comfortably. Sit down comfortably, or you can write there calmly. Okay, calmly. So these are the adverbs which tells us something more about the verb. Sit down is an action word. Stand up is an action word. Enter the room, you're doing an action. Talk, it is an action. All these are the verb. So we are supplying, we are supplying a suitable adverb to it. Is that clear to all of you? I hope it's clear. Now you have performed an action now. Turn around. When you turn around, you're very happy. No, don't we play? When we play, we turn around. So you're very happy. So we can use an adverb there. It is merrily. Is that clear? So we are supplying a suitable adverb to the verb. So adverb tells us something more about the verb. Clear to all of you? So when you sing a song, how do you sing? Some of them have performed it. When you sing, you have to sing very sweetly or melodiously. Their voice were very sweet. So we can say that sing sweetly. Okay, or you can write them melodiously. The adverbs used. Okay, to say how the action happens. Now, have you all of you understood? When you write something, how do you write? Ma'am is not requesting you to write neatly in your English grammar notebook. No. So I can just tell you, write. But I'm using an adverb to it. Telling you, asking you, or requesting you, children, please write neatly in your English grammar notebook. So I'm adding something to the verb. I'm telling more about the verb, saying that you have to write neatly. Okay, so write on the board. How we have to write it on the board? Neatly. Okay, so these are the adverbs which tells us something more about the verb. Clear to all of you? Now have you understood? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Adverbs are nothing but it is a word that gives us something more about the verb. Right. How is she writing? Ask the question. She wrote neatly. Or we can write, if she is not writing neatly, what is the word to be used? Opposite of neatly is shabbily. Okay. She sang sweetly, or she sang the song sweetly. Okay. Or if her voice is harsh, Harshly we could use. Okay, turn around. Merrily. Merrily means happily. Sit down. When you sit in some other place, when we sit, we have to sit comfortably. Only then, if you are going to a theater or wherever it is, we have to sit comfortably. Only then we can watch a movie. Okay, either you sit comfortably or calmly without disturbing anyone. Stand up. When you stand up, you have to stand straight, briskly. Enter the room quietly. Talk softly or politely. Okay, so these are the, come on, right. Okay, children, this you can do it by yourself, but some of the words are a little bit tough for you. That's why I wrote it for you.
ma'am.
Yes, completed all of you. I'll be sending you the answer keys. Don't worry about it. I'll be sending you. First, let all of us do it. Have all of you finished?
No. Completed, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Who's Meha Mahesh?
We don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, episode completed.
Okay, my dear. Okay. Now, if we all have completed, let's move on to the next exercise. This exercise, you can do it as homework, my dear children. Try to do it as homework. Okay, the words are given here. What you have to do is, you have to change the words. You have to, first of all, you have to pick out the correct word. After picking out the correct word, you have to change the word suitably by adding ly or illy into the adverbs. Okay, you have to complete the story by choosing a suitable word from the brackets and use its ly form. Okay, either you have to add ly or ily to it. Okay, so that is the homework for tomorrow. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. So page number, the same page number 21. There is a small exercise for you. It is it's quite easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 blanks are there, and you are given few words there. 3 options are given there for you. But please do check while changing the word, while you're writing the answer here, you have to add ly. That is, we have to change the word into adverb. Okay, so that is your task that's the homework for tomorrow. Now let's move on to an exercise for us. Yes? Can we move on to the exercise for you?
Hey, may I go to bathroom?
Yes, you have to.
And this is in notebook.
No. Notebook work I'll send. Now, all of you, please do take your rough book, my dear children. All of you, please do take your rough book. Please do take your rough book. Please do take your rough book. Can you see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can all of you see the board? Is it visible?
My rough book page is finished.
Okay, you can take any of your pages, any page.
Ma'am, I don't have
Okay, any page, children. Can you see the board, my dear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have the book.
Can you see the board, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If it's not visible, come on. Yes. Here are a few sentences for you. 9 sentences are there. Okay. Here is also a similar exercise which we are going to do. That is exercise 2, which is there in page number 21. This is the similar exercise for you. The words are given there. When we write when we supply the suitable the word into the you have to change the word into adverb. Okay, so the first one example, I'll show you how to write it. Lisa is playing with the teddy bear. Only happy is given there. So how to change the word into adverb? Come on, tell me the word. Yes, how do you convert the word into adverb? Happily. So what's the spelling of happily? Come on, tell me. Yes. So similarly, you have to do the exercise in page number 21 too. That is exercise 2. This is the way you're going to do it. Okay, this is an example for you. Okay, so when you convert the word into the ad. Yes, my dear?
You want to write question?
No, just write the answers. Okay. Only write the answers in your notebook work. I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, Zara, come on, read the next question, Zara. Zara. Please read the second question. The boy.
I will tell next question.
Others, please mute your audios, my dear children. Please let Zara read the question. Zara, come on, unmute it and read the question. Others, please do. Yes. Come on, Zara.
Boy
behaved.
behaved dash.
Yes. So, boy behaved. What is the word given there? Serious. So we have to convert. We have to change the word into adverb. How do we change the word into adverb? Seriously. Very good, Zara. So come on, write the word seriously. What's the spelling of seriously? Just write the word and add ly at the end of the word. So we have changed the word into adverb by adding ly to it. So the boy behaved seriously. Very good, Zara. Ryan Ramesh, come on, Ryan. Yes, Ryan, come on, read the next question.
The third one.
Yes, third question.
You
defended
me.
Defended me.
That
Come on, tell me, you defended me. What is the word is given here? It is brave. So how is that you're going to convert the word into adverb? By adding ly to it. Come on, tell me. You defended me, Ryan.
BRAVELY.
Very good, Ryan. Very good. Rose, come on, Rose. Rose is not there. Rose. George. Anna Princeton, I'll call you. Okay, wait. George protected his house.
Dash honest.
Honest. So what is that we have to write there?
Honest.
Honestly. Very good. Honestly. So when we pronounce the word here, H is silent. So it is honestly. Okay, you have to write it in your rough book. Just write the word. I don't want you to write the sentence. Okay, just write the words. Okay, that is happily, seriously, bravely, honestly. Sentences I will send to you. Okay. Anna Princeton, come on, Anna. Anna, come on, Anna. Unmute it, my dear. Yes, come on, read the fifth question.
Sheila was never,
Was nervous. Yes, was nervous.
never, and
Uh, and could not talk.
called
Mm,
to talk
mm.
clever.
And could
Clear.
not talk. Clear. It is clear. It is given. Could not talk. She was nervous and could not talk
Clear.
clearly. Okay, clear. It is given. So
Clearly.
we have to add ly. So what is the
Clearly.
spelling? Come on, tell me the spelling of the word clearly. CLEA.
CLEARLY.
Very good, Anna.
Clearly.
Yes, clearly. Okay, so this is the way you have to do the exercises, which is there in your workbook too. You have to do it the same way. Ansel, come on,
Thank you,
Ansel.
ma'am.
Ansel, come on. Do the 6th question. Ansel, are you there, Ansel? Unmute it, my
Yes.
dear. Yes, come on, read the next question. My mom
My mom
mm,
talked
talked to our neighbor.
to our neighbor
Mm,
calmly.
calmly, very good. Calmly. So we have to write the word calm and add ly at the end of the word. Yes.
CALMLY.
Ly, that's all. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Anthony, come on, Anthony. Unmute it, my dear. Come on, read the 7th question. Mm. Anthony, are you there? Anthony is not there. Okay, Andrea, come on, Andrea. Unmute it, Andrea. And read the next question. Did you answer? Mm. Come on.
Answer the
Questions.
questions
What is the word given here? Correct. So,
correctly.
very good. It is correctly. Very good. It is correctly. Very good. Yes. Now let's move on to Devadash. Come on, Devadash. Come on, read the next question. I hope you are writing. Only write the answers. Okay, children. Yes, come on. Virginia. I hope you can see the board. Virginia. Virginia. Virginia solved the problem.
Solve the problem.
It is solve the problem. It is easy. It is given here. So how is that you're going to change the word? It is easily. What's the spelling of easily? EASILY. Okay. So Y has to change into I before adding ly to it. Very good. Now let's move on to Afrin. Come on, Afrin. Read the last question. It's time up. He told me to. Afrin, unmute it. Yes. Afrin. Come on, Afrin. Afrin is not there. Okay, Dia, come on, Dia. It's time up, Dia. Dia, he told me to wait. He told me to wait. This question.
He told me to
wait. Come on, tell me. Patient it is given. So how is that? We have to convert the word into, we have to write patiently. Okay, Dia? Okay, children. So this is the way you have to do the exercise, which is there on page number 21, children. I hope you have understood Okay, children. So just you have to pick out the right word and convert the word into adverb by adding ly or illy to it. So it's time for us to wind up, my dear children. Thank you all for joining. Bye-bye, all of you. Bye, children. Bye, all of you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you all.